goes the Buick in the snow, going around the block. Let's see if we get stuck. Okay, made it down the road. Let's wait for him to come back now.